Are you looking for the best vlogging camera of 2023? In this video we will look at some of the best vlogging camera of 2023 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sony ZV-1. When it comes to cameras, Sony has officially surpassed Canon and Nikon as the top camera brand, and it couldn't be more evident with this camera. With 4K video capabilities and the ability to capture 120 FPS, your videos will be incredibly clear and have impressive quality even when put in slow motion. Personally, I didn't know cameras of this size and type could be mirrorless and have the ability to have interchangeable lenses. This camera can be purchased with an assortment of lenses, but it is most commonly used with the 16-50mm lens. At $800 when purchased with the lens included, this camera is on the more expensive side of the vlogging camera industry. Even so, this camera is a top-of-the-line device, and if you want the best experience to kick off your vlogs, this is the one for you. Number 2. DJI Pocket 2. When I first got my hands on one of these DJI Pocket cameras, I was shocked how this small camera could capture better content than my iPhone 13. It's been on my Amazon wishlist ever since, and it weighs just over a pound for easy portability. This camera can capture high-movement videos with excellent smoothness with its 3-axis gimbal. Along with the smooth continuity, your subject will be kept in the shot with Active Track 3.0 technology. Despite its small size, the DJI Pocket 2 can take up to 8x zoom photos on its 64MP camera. But this camera doesn't need you to zoom in to get the best shots. The combination of the upgraded 1/1.7-inch sensor and the 20mm f/1.8 lens creates a wide view to capture panoramic shots, large group selfies, and amazing time-lapses. Number 3. GoPro Hero 10 Black. GoPros have become a staple in sports photography. With over 30 mounts and accessories, you can attach this camera to virtually anything. Additionally, there isn't an environment where you can't use this camera. With a tough build and waterproof capabilities up to 33 feet. Though the camera is primarily for capturing content while in action, using this camera to vlog could be perfect if you film in extreme conditions. At just $400, this camera has the capability to film 5.3K resolution at 60 FPS, something no other camera on this list has. On top of the incredible resolution, there are screens on both the front and back of the camera body for creators to make sure their shots are perfect. Number 4. Canon PowerShot G7X MIII. The photography industry is very brand loyal. As a Canon user myself, I will continue to buy these products until something incredible makes me swap. Without an interchangeable lens, the listed weight of this camera is actually how much it weighs. Vlogging demands a steady hand, and there's no better way to ensure steadiness than with a lightweight camera. Along with being lightweight, it is also one of the smallest vlogging cameras of this quality. This camera has the ability to shoot 4K video at 30 FPS, along with the ability to live stream to YouTube directly from your camera. If you want a higher frame rate, you can get 120 FPS with 1080p resolution. If you decide you want to use this camera to get photos as well as video, this device can shoot at 30 FPS in RAW burst mode. Number 5. Sony ZV-1. When spending your dollar on a vlogging camera, you should take into account all the other things you can use the camera for. Whether it be landscape photography, sports photography, or videography, versatility is key in the camera industry. With capability to shoot up to 21 FPS in continuous shooting, this camera is for more than just video. This camera features shutter speeds ranging from 1/32000 and a burst rate of 24 FPS to create incredible opportunities to capture moving objects. Like most other cameras on this list, this device features a 3-inch LCD touchscreen that's adjustable so you can see what you're filming.